Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon, sir.
Big namaskar to everybody, and I'm very much happy to see that we have already become very much successful to complete the second last menu as prescribed by the National Council. We are very much indebted to National Council that the National Council has given our students such a nice opportunity, according to which we are also in a position to practice the Indian bread, Indian dessert and Indian food items buffet setup. I have chosen this opportunity to entrust our third year student, boys and girls, from 5th semester BSc HHA program of the academic session 2022-23 from the National Council's Institute of Hotel Management, which is a central government run organization under the Ministry of Tourism, Government of India. Today we have made the second last menu very much successfully, and we have showcased the skill of our students in terms of the Rajasthani dishes setup in buffet style. We know that buffet is a style of presentation in which all the food items, beverage items are set on the table in an artistic manner, and the diners of the buffet, they can enjoy the dishes, they can see the dishes, they can examine the dishes, and at the same time they can enjoy the theme of the area. Let me introduce myself to the supervisor of the day, Mr. Pradeep Pushpa, and he is the supervisor of this particular session. He has made this menu earlier also, and he has got a very good experience in food production. Not only that, you can see all the students who are present out here, they are all very good in food production as well as in other subjects also. If I get any chance to praise their activities, I will say that they are just the diamonds, and you can rely upon them up to any extent for the getting the jobs done, and their masterpiece in food production. Yes, I am very much sure that in future with the hoteliers will give them a chance to showcase their skill in a much more in a talented manner. They will be able to do it very much positively and supportively. Now I will have a look at the dishes that they have made. So the cameraman, please come ahead. I can see, as far as the dishes are concerned, the dishes are very artistically, nicely presented on the buffet table. I can see that the buffet table has been very well arranged with the colorful cloths, with the hangings on the table corners, with the frills, with the placards in the form of festoons, and with the cutleries, crockeries, though the cutlery is very less, but still the crockeries are there and the items are very well presented. I can very well sense the way they have tried to give a look of Rajasthani cuisine, and more specifically it has got a very good touch from the western part of India, that is Rajasthan. Let me read out the names very quickly. We have got Mirchi Vada, Marwadi Dal, Rajasthani Shahi Masala Aloo, Ram Pulao, Khuba Roti, Chila Raita, Masala Paratha, Ghee Chutney, Rajasthani Papad and Salad, and Churma Laddu. And some additional items have also been made by the group. Let me tell you the viewers, our students are very much expert in making additional items also. I've seen them making the additional items many times, and I got astonished that how so nicely they have made it. But the fact is, these students, they were very much facing the loss. They faced the loss during the COVID period also, but still that they have grown a lot, and the growth is really appreciable. I would like to ask the supervisor, how did you feel at the time of getting the job done through your batch nights? Give some words. Say some words before the camera.
Good afternoon to everyone, and thank you to my teacher and our batchmates. They give to me this opportunity for I am a supervisor today. And आज हमने जो राजस्थानी मेन्यू बुफे सेटअप किया है, उसमें आज हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा बनाते हुए. सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स थे, मतलब कुछ नया इनोवेटिव, सबने कुछ ना कुछ नया ट्राई करने की कोशिश की और बहुत अच्छे से सेटअप किया है. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं कितने अच्छे से बुफे सेटअप किया है, फ्रिल्स लगाए हैं और नेम टैग्स देखो कैसे, मतलब फ्लैग एक अलग ही एक नया लुक दिया है, इनोवेटिव सा कुछ अलग ही किया है। लग रहा है कि हाँ राजस्थानी से बिलोंग है ये थोड़ा सा मेन्यू, और पूरा ही लग रहा है। तो मैं इतना ही कहना चाहूंगा एंड थैंक यू।
Now, I would like to request, say, Ms. Nidhi Gubari, what was your feeling regarding today's experience? आपने कैसे महसूस किया इस सेकेंड लास्ट क्लास में 5th सेमेस्टर के? आपको कैसा महसूस हो रहा है?
गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन, मैं निधि कुमारी। आज क्लास लास्ट था, आज हमारा लास्ट डे था और हम सब एक टीम की तरह काम किए, तो हमें मतलब बहुत अच्छा लगा। एक एक चीज़ को बनाने में मस्ती करके हमने बनाया, जो भी बनाया। हमारे पास यूटेंसिल बहुत कम थे, फिर भी हमने बहुत तरीके से सबको अच्छे से दिखाया, प्रेजेंट किया, तो हमसे जितना हो पाया हमने किया। थैंक यू सो मच।
अभी मैं आगे पूछूंगा हमारे जो डिसिप्लिन कमेटी के मेंबर है पल्लवी कुमारी से, आपने कोई इसमें बाधाएं आपने सामना किया, कुछ बाधा आई आपको बनाते हुए? अगर है तो कुछ का उल्लेख करें।
गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन। लोगों में थोड़ा सा क्रॉकरी सेट का प्रॉब्लम आया, तो वो था हमारा क्रॉकरी सेट कम था, हमारे डिशेस प्लेटिंग में थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ी आई, और हमारे बनाने में सबने साथ दिया, सबने एक दूसरे की मदद की, और इस तरीके से हम सफल हुए। थोड़े बहुत लड्डू वगैरह सब बनाने में थोड़े मिस्टेक्स हुए, और जो कि हम लोग उसको हैंडल कर सकते।
बहुत अच्छा, तो आपने बहुत अच्छा बताया है। मैं अब अनुरोध करूंगा राहुल सिक्का से कि आप दो शब्द कहें कैमरे के सामने, व्यूअर्स के सामने।
Very good afternoon, everyone. I will say the menu is very elaborate and very nice and very beautiful in seeing all these things and very innovative in all things.
Very true. So we have got one word, innovation. Innovation can be created only when you have got the guts in your mind and heart, you have got the creativity or the nature of creativity within you, then only you can do the right things in a right manner, in a right direction. I am very much happy to say that all the students, they have been blessed with the innovative ideas. At this particular moment, I would like to ask, say, a well-disciplined girl, that is Pragati Singh, what is your opinion regarding today's class?
गुड आफ्टरनून। सो आज हमारी लास्ट क्लास थी, और एज अ टीम वर्क हम किए काम, एंड जैसे इनोवेटिव, जैसे जिसमें एक्सपर्ट है उसने अपना टैलेंट दिखाया यहाँ पे, तो वो अच्छा लगा, और सब कुछ बहुत अच्छे से।
Very good. Nilima, what is your opinion? Just tell the viewers that yes, this is the right place, that students who are studying in class 10, 11th and 12th, if they are interested for hotel management, IHM Gwalior is a very nice place. You can take admission out here also, and you will really enjoy your study. So Nilima, if you want to tell your junior something on this particular course.
Something which I want to tell our juniors, that joining this course we will able to learn lots of new things every day, like from starting from food production, front office, or whatever we can say. There is a kind of different things in every subject. So I would like that everyone should join this course.
Very true. So viewers, I can assure you that if you were a person who likes tourism, who loves hoteliering, then this is the right place. You can join and you can grow up to the limit of the sky. Now I will go to Miss Priyadarshini. Am I right? Priyanshi. Okay. So Miss Priyanshi, आप दो शब्द कहें viewers के सामने.
Good afternoon everyone, this is our last menu. Today we enjoy the classes in different way, and some make extra dishes also. So
Good. Very good. So I have already collected the cream of her saying that she has enjoyed the class in a very nice manner. Now I would like to go to gentleman, I forgot your name?
Nikhil.
Mr. Nikhil. Okay. Now let me tell you, Nikhil is a very good supervisor. I have seen his supervision skill very well, and he's a very good speaker also. So I would like to request Nikhil that Nikhil just tell your viewers what you have felt here after studying 3 years.
As my friend says, that we have faced problem in the utensils, but I think that if we have unity, then we can find everything in the right manner, the right solution. that like this we have used the silver foil and it look nice. So we can't say that we don't have utensil, but it depend upon our mentality how we present the things in the front of the camera. So all the best.
Very good. So we have learned that never say no when you are performing, because if there is a will, there is a way. And I've seen that at the initial stage we were very much under tension, specifically yesterday, but today we got a little bit of maturity. But if you are very much nervous at the initial stage, you will not be able to deliver your duty in a proper manner. And you can see that our boys and girls, they have done it in a very nice manner, despite of having many technical problems, many barriers, and they lost their study period up to certain extent due to COVID, but still they are very much expert. They have got the expertise in their work. Now I would like to request the gentleman from the back, Mr. Prakhar, just say few words before the camera.
Good afternoon. As this is the last menu that we have prepared for food, I think it looks really beautiful and we have really enjoyed our recipe.
Very good, excellent. It's a heart-touching sentence. So your enjoyment is our motto. If you really enjoy the session, we are blessed by the God, and that is my thinking. Now I will go to Mr. Nitin Kushwaha. Okay, so Mr. Kushwaha, what is your opinion regarding today's menu?
So, first of all, I enjoyed that this menu, and cooking is all about fun. And I say something yesterday I read on Facebook. Cooking is philosophy. It's not just a recipe. So,
very true. So it depends how do you look at cooking. It's an art, it's a science, it's a philosophy, it's a passion, it's a technique, it's everything. So cooking says that what you think you can make. That is the main mantra of cooking. And if you can feed somebody with the best food, and if he says that very good, excellent food, you will not believe that how much like happiness you feel in the core of your heart if somebody says that very good food. That is really very good. When students say that the food is very good, I like, that's my prashad, and I appreciate that. Now I will go to Mr. Wazad. Okay, Mr. Wazad, what is your opinion?
Good afternoon, everyone. We always work as a team. Each and every classmate and Mr. Myself help in each and every problem. So we face problems, but with the unity, we overcome it. And as you can see, we prepared a lot of menu with a good representations and lots of skill in all the classmates and good innovation.
I will request Mr. Arshad. Okay, Mr. Arshad, say few words before the students.
So this session is very amazing because everyone shows their talent, how they represent the particular their cuisine, how they prepare, how they use a different type of cooking method, and we learn from them how to prepare some particular dish and how represent it. So to the session is amazing, and it's a teamwork.
Good. Mr. Praful, now it is your turn to let your juniors and the viewers know what is going on in your heart after going through this presentation.
So first of all, I like to